In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix file import failure in Premiere Pro. If you're seeing a file import failure message or a clip simply refuses to come in, there are two reliable fixes you can try. We'll start with the simplest one, moving or renaming the file. Premiere can sometimes struggle with complicated file paths or names that include special characters, symbols, or even spaces. To rule that out, locate the problem file in your file manager and move it to a simple location on your computer, like the desktop. Keeping it close to the root of your drive shortens the path and removes any odd folder names that might confuse the software. Next, rename the file to something clean and straightforward. Use only letters, numbers, underscores, or hyphens, and avoid spaces or special characters. For example, change something like myclip1 final.mp4 to myclip1.mp4. Be careful to keep the file extension the same, so if it's in .mp4, leave it as mp4. Once you've moved and renamed it, go back to Premiere and try importing the file again. This quick adjustment resolves a surprising number of import issues. If that doesn't do the trick, the next step is to clear Premiere's media cache. Over time, the cache can become overloaded or corrupted, and that can block imports. In Premiere, go to Edit if you're on Windows, or Premiere Pro if you're on Mac, then choose Preferences and open Media Cache. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to save your work, since clearing cache can trigger some rebuilding later. In the Media Cache panel, you'll see options to delete unused cache files or delete all cache files. Delete Unused removes cached items that aren't being referenced by any open projects. Delete All wipes the entire cache, which is often the most effective option if you're not sure what's causing the problem. Click the button that suits your situation, Confirm, and let Premiere clean things up. When it's finished, close and restart Premiere. Then try importing the file again. Don't be surprised if the first playback after clearing cache takes a moment. Premiere is rebuilding previews and indexes in the background, which is normal. That's it. First, simplify the file's location and name, and second, clear the media cache and restart. These two actions handle most import failures quickly and safely, without changing your footage. Give them a try, and you should be back to editing in no time.